are so much fun at that game. We have some technical together. It's the hypercube. 20 pages. This kind of startup bus. Thank you. To the lady. Sorry. Welcome aboard. Okay, I think for the benefit of our viewers, I will just give a quick who you are, your name, other guys. I think we'll start with Tawana Kero. What you need, just leave it. Mark someone big as you can.
My name is Tawana Kero. I'm a developer of the startup institute. I also do QP on the side. Today, I'm very excited to be in the startup class. And I'm looking forward to learning to that.
Okay, great. Next guy there.
Yeah, I'm Jabari Pope. I am the co-founder of Newland. I'm the co-founder of Newland Technology. It's a startup that builds web applications for business management and collaboration. And we set up us to build the most awesome anyone is interested.
Right.
Okay, Chico.
Okay, my name is Chico. I'm a startup entrepreneur. I run my own startup called Zifu. I'm a developer as well. I'm on the bus to create a good application. I'm partnering up with startups and I hope to build like a lot of things so that I can help other local businesses.
Alright, great. To the lady. Big good sound.
Hi, my name is I've been in telecoms for the past 2 years, which is since I graduated. Okay, my main interest really lies in developing products, innovative products, and yeah, that's why I'm in here. And I'm hoping to start my own projects very soon, working with Hypercube. Yes.
Alright, move on to Sean. Talk to us.
I'm Sean. I am the co-founder of Egypt Technologies, which is a web development firm. Personally, as a developer, I founded a couple of startups. I see myself as more of a serial developer, which means I make things for the sake of making them, not for profit or to solve a specific problem, but just for the sake of making them and having them out. And I'm really excited to be on Startup Bus, and what I really hope to gain from Startup Bus is experience, collaboration, and contacts with people that matter, people that can take my startup to a whole new level.
Okay, I don't know. I need to know who's going to answer this question. What got you together? How were you selected? Are you a team? Are you going to be working on a single thing? We're going to be working on different projects. Who's tech? She'll tech. The lady will tech.
Okay. Actually, we're all here from different areas. We
the guys going to the bus?
Yeah.
It's them guys.
Yes.
Well done. Good luck. Come back on fire.
Definitely.
Fire.
Definitely. Are you on Twitter? Are you on Twitter, sir?
I am on Twitter.
Okay.
But I'm faceless.
Okay, alright.
an egg.
No. I mean, I'm not on Facebook.
I'm saying on Twitter, you said your name.
No, I have an icon. But I don't believe in Facebook. But I'm on Twitter.
On Twitter, you said
I mean, there's Facebook. I mean, not on Facebook.
okay.
Twitter, I think you can answer that, but of course you can't stop. Just answer the question. Yeah. How you got you? Are you working together? Are you a group? Are you
The answer is we don't know yet. But we're yet to build teams. So we don't know yet what we're going to be working on. Which teams we're going to be.
But what brought us together? We love technology and we are from different backgrounds. Like Zandile, Lambo will finish off.
We actually met because, okay, most of us met because of Startup. Maybe some of the guys here knew each other, but not all of us. So this actually is our network now. Yeah, we don't know what we'll be working on. We all have different ideas. We'll probably all be joining different teams so that at least we can learn from other people from other countries, other areas that we're not familiar with. So we want to stretch ourselves. I doubt we'll be in the same team. By the looks of things, I think maybe one or two will be in the same team, but most of us are going to branch out.
What we have to do is
because of time, I think I'll just ask Rob, maybe it might be a last question there. How do you feel about this opportunity?
I think we feel more than blessed. We've exceeded the level of excitation. I've been telling people that we're beyond excited right now. This is life-changing. I mean, already we haven't even gotten on the bus, but our lives have changed. Our worlds are interconnected already, and we have a network. We've been talking since then. We've been working with each other, and I see this going forward, and hopefully it will cascade down or cascade up to all the other networks that we have. So yeah, we're super excited.
All right, great. Chico, maybe the last question here. Your expectations. What are you expecting out of the startup bus?
Personally, okay,
Yeah.
right.
A quick one.
Like I said before, I run Sahara Hacker, so we sort of advise startup entrepreneurs on what to do. And I think if I get to share my ideas with everybody else, I can come back with stuff that our readers can benefit from. So for me, it's more of an eye-opener. Yeah. That's what I hope to get.
My expectations for this event, one of them has already been met. I was expecting that I would meet some many very exciting creative people. The next level as well.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to the learning experience. I think that will be the biggest takeaway from this experience. I just want to learn.
All right, maybe last question to the group. You Zimbabwean players, do you think out of the startup bus or this kind of an environment, we are going to bring out these tangible solutions that are going to affect how we change the way we do things?
I think the main selection, the people who chosen now are people who are sort of active already. So if these people are the thought leaders and they come with something, it's more likely to have a network effect. So definitely, I think, yeah, we can definitely, this is a good foundation for it. I think it's a good foundation for it.
All right. Thank you so much, guys, for your time. It's been quite insightful. We really enjoyed it, and we hope you have all the best. Have fun, and only have fun. Okay, thank you so much for your time. We'll be back again with the next. That's the rumor. See you.